Hello, this is Shamim. Today I am going to show you how can we change, edit, modify and manage our homepage banner image. We frequently receive some question from our valued client that how can we change the image of a slideshow and how can we add more slideshow or remove the default slideshow. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So as usual, in this tutorial I am going to pick any one of our script, but it not necessarily has to be the same script that you have purchased from Eicra, but the functionality and idea and the methodology will remain same how we can do that. So let us pick one of our script called PHP vacation rentals script. So we will show you how can we change the banner and the slideshow of our vacation rental script, but for your case please make sure you follow this tutorial carefully, and the same functionality and tricks will be remain same for your script. So this is our banner and this is what we call slideshow when we click on next and previous button. So this is our banner and we will show you how can we change this banner image. So let us log in to our administrative control panel. So under administrative control panel you can find a module menu, and under module there is an option called ads and commercial management, and ads and commercial management is an add-on, commercial add-on. If you have purchased this add-on you can find this option under module ads and commercial, but if you have not purchased this add-on you may not find this submenu here. So let's assume that you have purchased our ad and commercial modules where we can see the list of advertisement here. I load all of my advertisement which is currently available to my software, and for your case you can add, edit advertisement whatever you want. So this is our banner advertisement. You can see in the category called vacation rentals banner, and ad number 206 is also a second image of vacation rentals banner. So ad ID number 205 and ad ID number 206 contains a image with the same category called vacation rentals banner, but for your case it can be real estate banner or travel banner or B2B banner, whatever your script may be. So I just go to an edit mode of ID 205 banner. So you can see the page name is vacation rentals banner 1 and the category is vacation rentals. I delete the default image and let us upload one custom image so that I can see my changes to my font end. So what I will do now, I am going to upload a new image from my local machine, and I will show you how can we change or edit the default banner by our preferred image. So this is a slide 1 image, so let us make it as a banner image 1. So I select my image and click to save. So here firstly we are going to edit the default image by our preferred image, and secondly we will show you how can we add new image with this banner. So I choose my slide 1 image and I'm going to upload it to my server. Upload complete. So I set it up as vacation rentals image 1. So I change the default image by our new one. So now let us go to our second image, which we would like to change it by our preferred one. So this one, ID number 206. So I go to edit mode and I'm going to delete the default image, and I'm going to upload a new image, what you prefer. So let us choose this one, slide 2. So first one, you remember we upload slide 1, and second one is slide 2. So slide 2 is uploaded. I'm going to insert this file to my banner. So banner 2 image has been saved. So now we can go back to our home page, refresh this home page. I would like to see the default banner should change by our new image. Here it is. Nice looking image is here, and it is our banner 1 image, and when we go to second step is banner 2 image. So you can see how can we edit the image using our ad and commercial advertisement module. So image can be changed easily. So now what we will do, make sure that your category is selected as a vacation rentals banner. So make sure that whatever the image you upload, you select this category. If you do not select this category, the slideshow will not appear and your image will not appear under slideshow. So now I'm going to add a new content. It means as a new ad. So let us give a name for my third image of banner, which will comes as a slideshow. So, and I add name is another banner. It can be banner number 3 as well. So you need to select a group called ad and commercial, and once you select your group ad and commercial, you can see the list of the category you can have on your left hand side. Make sure that you select the vacation rentals banner as a category, because if you do not, your image will be saved elsewhere. So make sure that on the left hand tree you select vacation rentals banner. So now I'm going to upload my third image, which is going to be slide 3, and by looking at this name you can understand that banner 3 is the new banner that I'm going to add one more. So, and I'm going to save this banner under our ad and commercial section. So it means the slideshow will be created with 3 image. So earlier it was 2 image. We make changes of this image, and we add one more image. This is our home image, or slide 1, slide 2, and this is slide 3. So slide 3 image that we have just added as a new. So now in our banner I can have one more image, which is third image I have appended with previous 2. So now you understand that how can we add or edit banner and add more image to our slideshow. What if those users who do not want to buy our ad and commercial modules? So in that case we still have an option for them to make changes of this image. So in that case, if consider that you have not purchased our ad and commercial module, in that case you click on the right mouse and see the location of the image, and you can navigate those image and make some changes. So here when I click on my image, right mouse click and go to properties, you can see the image location under data, font and image, news, page thumb, and the image name. So you just log into your FTP and navigate to the location that is printing here. So you can find the image location by right mouse click, save image as desktop. I'm just saving this image to my desktop, and I will make some modification and then I will upload it to the server. So again, we still have an option for those users who do not want to buy our ad and commercial modules. I'm going to show how can we edit and modify the image bypassing our advertisement and commercial module. So you can still make changes, but although it requires a little bit technical knowledge of HTML and graphics designing. So let us assume that you know a little bit of graphic designer or HTML or web designing task. So remember, we saved our default image to our desktop. So this is an image that we have saved and downloaded from our script. But for your case, it can be any image, it can be any of your preferred image. But just as an example, I am just making some changes on this image, and I am pretending that it is my new image, that I will make some modification without purchasing our add-on commercial module. So I just add a text called just edit to make sure that we are making change. So I just add a little two-word sentence. It's just edit, and I'm going to save it to my local machine, and then I will upload or edit my default image, banner image, using FTP. So now I'm going to save this image to my local machine, and I am overwriting the previous image. So this is the image that I have created, assuming that I have not purchased our add-on commercial modules. So if you have not purchased our add-on commercial module, how can we modify the banner image? So now what we will do, we have the image to my local machine, and now we are going to upload this image to our server, and we want to edit this. So this is a FileZilla FTP. FileZilla is commonly used, most popular, and freely available to the net. And let us log in to our website, and let us navigate to the location that we have copied earlier. So it is going to be your application. I beg your pardon, it is not application, it is under data and font and image, and under font and image it will be. So let's look at again, right mouse, click on the right mouse and see the image location. It is under data, font image, news, paste thumb. So I just copy it, and I can easily paste it to my FTP browser so that I can navigate directly to that directory easily. So I have found the image location, so I'm navigating to the right directories. It is under data, font and image, news, category, paste thumb, and this is the image location. So here what we will do now, we just make modification of my image. For your case, you can have your own image and you rename the image with the default one. So what we did is just we renamed our image and save it to our desktop. So we are just going to override this image to our default image. So just upload it to the server, and we match the name with the existing image, so it's going to be override the default image. For your case, you can rename it for later use, and you can upload the same image with the name that you have downloaded. Similarly, you can edit all the image that you find as default. I have 3 image here, so I can come up with any 3 image and override this image by our new one. So once I upload our newly edited image to our server and I override this page, override this image, so you can see the default image has been changed by the new image we have just edited. So as you know that without purchasing the add-on, you can still modify the banner image using FTP and keeping the same name, and you can still be able to change all the image that you can find in default. But one thing, you might not be able to add one more image if you have not purchased our add-on module, but you can modify the image whatever you want that we have just demonstrated. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to email us. We are happy to answer any of your problem. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.